Hello everyone, so today I'm going to do an unboxing and reviewing of this wireless charger by KPON. It's QI enabled, so you can charge any phone or tablet that has QI enabled technology for wireless charging. And what I like about it, it's 3-in-1. It charges not only your phone. If you have a smartwatch that has this QI technology, you can charge it. Apple phone, Apple Watch. Plus, I'm planning to charge my Samsung. It also supports Samsung, and it also supports Kindle, specifically Paperwise Signature through edition, which has the wireless charging enabled. And this is the box itself. So let's take a look inside. The box itself is really sturdy, which I like. Okay. So this is the charging station itself. It has a very nice look. As you can see, that's where you put your phone on. That's for your watch, smartwatch, and also, so it has 3 charging stations. As you can see here, there's some information about the watch, the charging station. Let's see what's inside here. I'm assuming it's just some cables that come with this charging station. Okay, it's pretty long, which I like. It's also nice. So, there's manual. So I'm going to bring on the iPhone just to show you how it's charged. Okay, now I'm going to show you with an iPhone. As you can see, the process of charging has just started. And it shows that it's charging right now. Here's a Samsung phone. Let's see. Here you are, it's charging. No issues whatsoever. This is my Kindle tablet, which I recently reviewed, so I'm going to show you how it's going to charge it. And I'm using the case. It's charging through the case. Here you go. Well, to be honest, I'm really impressed with this charger. And finally, I have this watch. It's not an Apple Watch, but it's just an Huawei's watch. I'm not sure that it's going to charge, so let's just test it. No, it's not going to work because it has different type of charging here. Well, still, it's charging the Kindle, it's charging Samsung phone, and not just Samsung, any Android phone that has this wireless charging enabled, an Apple, iPhone, iWatch, anything. I'm really impressed. It's really easy to use, and I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.